So to make an LED bookmark, we need a large size screen guard. Well, this one is good, and the reason I am taking a screen guard and not a normal plastic sheet, you will see further. Let's mark the place we're going to cut. A coin is an universal device to make a circle. Okay, now we will cut this shape and try using a sharpest knife you having. So with the proper measurements and a sharpest knife, we got this shape. So we have to cut a rectangle in between, which we're going to use as a switch. Okay, now we have done with the shape. And I will remove one of the layer, and still we will left with the two layers, and this is the reason I am using this screen guard and not a normal plastic sheet. And to power this lamp, I am using this 3-volt button cell. Usually the LEDs, the small LEDs requires 2.5 volt. Still you can use up to 5 volt, but not less than 2.5 volt. The rough surface is the negative, and the opposite side is the positive or an anode. It easily powers up this small LED, but I will use even more powerful, and of course the white one, and better to use the knife to remove the LED, or the heater will burn up the LED if it takes long. And to hold this LED, I will stick it on this tape, and using a thin insulated wire is a good choice. Well, here I made a big mistake. The LED I used requires the minimum of 6 volts. It barely glows with this 3-volt button cell. So now I will take a small LED from this mobile display. It's too small to even see with the naked. and I am using the aluminum tape to stick the wire on the cell. And I got the neodymium magnet from the speaker of the earphone. And after doing all the wiring works, this is how our final product looks like. It is bright enough to read a book under its light. Okay, hope you found it interesting. Ensure to subscribe. See you in the next video.